to say, okay guys, ayan. Nalaga na yung kasaba, kamuting kahoy. So, magpapainit na tayo ng mantika. So, we're going to crush it. Smash it. Hindi natin ng konting asin kasi walang alak. Meron tayong butter. Lagyan natin ng butter. Guys, lagyan natin ng butter. Haluin natin. Ayan.